Lesson 2.1 is on pages 42 through 44. You will download the 2.1 source from Schoology to begin with. Then when you get it open, you will want to save it as 2.1 weekly meal plan. Step 3, you want to highlight A4 through H7 and choose to wrap your text. Then step 5, go to your Home tab and the font group and highlight Weekly Meal Plan. Change the font size to 20. Change the font to Cooper Black and change the color of row 3, which has your days of the week, to blue. Then highlight A4 through A7 and change your font size to 14. Highlight B3 through 8.3 and change your font to size 14. Highlight B4 through H7 and change the font size to 10. Highlight A4 through A7 and bold the text. Highlight B3 through H3 and bold your text. Highlight B4 through H4, italicize it. Step 8, highlight B5 through H5 and underline it. Step 9, highlight B6 through H6 and italicize it. Highlight B7 through H7 and underline it. Then select column A. Then on our Home tab, in the Cells group, and the Format drop-down menu, we first want to adjust the column width of column A to 15. Next, highlight columns B through H and adjust their width to 14. Next, select rows 4 through 7 and change the height to 70. Then you will want to save your document and submit on Schoology.